After the power-up sequence is complete, the first screen asks if you want to start a new patient. Select yes or no as appropriate for the situation. This portion of the training provides an overview of the home screen of the pump. To get to the home screen, press the No key. The home screen will be displayed. Notice the home icon on the screen. At the top of the screen is the status bar. On the left side is the reservoir volume icon. In the center is the delivery status icon, and on the right side is the battery life or AC power status. At times, the status bar will briefly display informational messages such as cassette latched. The reservoir volume value decreases as the pump delivers fluid. The reservoir volume should be reset each time the reservoir is changed. Color is used to display the status. The icon will be green when the volume is acceptable, amber when the volume is low, and red when the volume is empty. In the center of the status bar, color and text is used to provide information on the current delivery status of the pump. The colors used are green when the pump is running, amber when the pump is paused due to an occlusion or when a delivery limit has been reached, and red when the pump is stopped. Text is also used to provide more information on the status. Text examples include running, stopped, and paused. Information about the current delivery status is also provided by the indicator lights to the left of the screen. The indicator lights can help you determine the pump status from a distance. The green light flashes to indicate that the pump is running and delivering fluid as programmed. The amber light flashes when the pump is stopped, an alarm condition exists, or the battery or the reservoir volume is low. It stays on continuously when the pump is inoperable. The display briefly describes the alarm condition when the amber light is flashing. At times, both lights may flash. This indicates that the pump is running, but there is a condition the clinician should be aware of, for example, low battery or low reservoir volume. On the right side of the status bar is an icon that indicates the power source. Power can be provided by AA batteries, a rechargeable battery pack, an AC adapter, or a CADD-Solis communication module with integral rechargeable battery. When using AC power, the batteries provide backup power. Color is used to indicate power status. The icon will be green when the battery power is acceptable, amber when the battery power is low, and red when the battery power is depleted. The icon will indicate battery power drawdown in increments of 25%. After a period of time during which no keys are pressed, the backlighting turns off and the display goes blank to save battery power, except during an alarm or when an external power source is in use. Press any key except the PCA/PCEA DOS key to turn the screen light back on. When using an AC adapter, the screen will remain lit at all times. The protocol title bar is located below the status bar. This portion of the screen lists the therapy, qualifier, and drug, including units of measure and concentration, if applicable, of the protocol currently selected for use on the pump. The CADD-Solis pump's protocol library with the therapy, qualifier, and drug programming sequence is designed to keep you focused on the individual needs of your patients, not just the drug delivered. The pump displays the protocol title with the drug name at all times. Your facility may choose to color code protocols to help differentiate therapies. In this example, purple is the color theme. A change in the background color to black provides a clear indication of when a protocol has been significantly changed or that manual mode is in use. A lock icon is located on the right-hand side of the protocol title bar. This indicates whether the keypad is locked or unlocked. If your facility is using the CADD-Solis communication module to allow for wireless communication between the pump and the FarmGuard server software, a wireless status indicator will appear under the lock icon. The wireless icon has 4 different status displays depending on whether it is off, on and associated with a wireless access point, and finally, on, associated with a wireless access point, and actively communicating with the FarmGuard server software. Below the protocol title bar is the main portion of the screen. The name of the screen is displayed along with help text in blue font. The home screen displays the current values of the patient-specific delivery parameters for the selected protocol. These delivery parameters can be edited as necessary, and they determine how therapy is delivered to the patient. Use of color for specific programming values, green or amber, provides a clear indication of when a value is inside or outside the soft limits configured for the protocol. Green for values within the limits, and amber for values outside soft limits. The CADD-Solis pump uses a task-based navigation and programming platform. Almost all operational functions are located under the Tasks menu. You will become familiar with the Tasks menu as you proceed through this training.